You can start now.
Okay, so we will be doing a beach party invitation, and this is the project, and the invitation card is like this. So it is with three folds, and when we open, we have to write the invitation here. So I will be taking you step by step to go through how to create this kind of card, invitation card, using our Cricut Maker 3. I'm using the feature, few of them, as in print and cut to get these patterns on my waves and these fishes, and few of the part we are cutting the cardstock to create. So I will be taking you through the steps to create this image. For this, first we need a rectangle shape. And the size we will be keeping as the maximum size we can cut on the mat with the length, it should be 29. So for this one, it's 28.9, approximately 29. I'm changing the color to light blue. Width we will be setting to 16. So this is our base. Now, okay. I will turn on the grids so we can mark where we should get the folds. It's in the top corner. And when you click on this corner, you start getting the grids. So this will help me. This is showing me this is 29. So now I have to divide it into 6 parts. So the top part here, I'm keeping 2.5. So the first two parts will be divided in 5 centimeters. So when you go here in shapes, we get the scroller line. It should be set to 16. I'm going to rotate it. I'll set it at, this is 1, 2. You can see the y coordinate, it is saying 2.58. Okay, just move it a little bit up and we will again check here. It's 2.43, we get 2.5. Okay, this is the first scorer line. I will again make another one. This one will at 5. Let me check one more time. You can coordinate. It's 5, very present. Okay, now the next portion I'm keeping as 4. Let me just, yeah, the next portion is 4. So after 5, I will be adding 4. So it will be approximately 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I should be doing my next scorer line. Just to keep it equidistant. 9. Then again, I'm adding 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 13, it should come here. A little bit more. Yeah, we got the coordinates 13. So this is my first fold, and this is my second fold here. Now, the last fold, it should be equally divided. So we are here at 11, 12, 13, we are here, and now we have up to 29. So it's 16. I'm going to divide it. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It should be 21. Now coordinates 29, 21. So this is the base of my card. After that, we will just go, I will attach. So when I'm cutting, these scroller lines are attached now. These are all, okay, I will tell you, these all should be in the straight line. So when you go here, it should be 270. Or we can, yes, they all should be 270. They should be straight. Now, so my base is ready. I'm going to attach. So this is what will be my base for the card. Next, these elements we will pick up from Design Space. All these elements which are included here, they are from Design Space. So we will go and search all the images together. We will go and look for the waves. So when you type in waves, we have so many different kinds of waves which we can include. I will check in the bookmark. This is one of the image which I have been using for creating my waves. And there is another thing we need to search is a wave pattern. Okay. Mhm. This is the another image. See, we have an image number here, which tells us which image we are using. So this is the watercolor image which we have. Another image which I'm using is this one. I will include this. Okay. And yeah, here. Okay, this is including already. I am looking for this. This one. Here. So first, now this one is okay. This is not attached. I will do send to back. Click again. I will group and then I will attach. Now, just rotating it. This is the part of my second layer. Okay, so this is here. I will resize it. I'm doing a contour here. I will ungroup this image. I don't want this. I am just using this part of this image to set my wave. And the pattern, you can see here, pattern which I'm showing is this one here. So to get the pattern on my waves, I will take it here and I'm doing a slice. So this helps me to get the wave in a pattern which is set here. Then I can just hide this. I can just hide this one also. I can hide. So I have already prepared one wave. Now my second waves are here. One which I'm using here in the bottom, in the first part, this wave, you can see this wave. So this, I'm taking it from this pattern. I'm not using this pattern. So first I will size up this one for here. It should fit like that. Then I will come here. I will duplicate because I'm using it for another one as well. And I'm gonna slice it again. So this slicing is giving me these patterns on my images. Okay, then I will ungroup. Sorry. Okay, so the next image which I'm using in my second layer here is this one. This is being set here in the second layer. This is the size and exactly this is the position for my second wave. And in my second wave, I'm again using a pattern. We have many wave patterns and we can use any pattern. Watch. This is the pattern. You will go, attach, I will slice it again. I will remove and we get this pattern here. So this is how I have created this layer, and this layer. Now I will have for a beach theme party, we can include all the beach elements. So I will write a bucket and a spade. Here, this is the one, bucket and spade. You can resize, place it here. So it's just not too big because we have to fold this layer like this. So it should be like I'm using it 3 centimeter here. So I can set it not too big, not too small. Should be coming here. And the next element is the sunglasses. You can pick and choose any of the glasses. Here you go. They're too big. I'm gonna resize. Change the color to fuchsia pink. Advanced. Now go and we will have star fish. Okay. So in this project, I'm using a double layered starfish like this one. This one is brown and then we have a light brown. Like that. One here, another one here. I think I forgot to change. Yeah, I think this one we have a brown color and this one is different. So here we have two starfish. This completes my first layer here with the bucket, sunglasses, and this. Next layer, we have to add an arrow, which can have an invitation for the person name, or you can write summers. We can use one arrow to write here, and I will add fish. This is the fish. It's going this way. Yeah, but this is not print and cut. I will be doing a print and cut for this. So I can quickly go and flatten it here. One goes here, another one. Yes, I think here. Now, this gift tag, that is for the name of the person. Here, in the shapes, when we go, we find this. Now, for a reduced, we can give an offset, a small one. I'm using -2 offset. And then I will change the color to yellow. This completes my second layer with the project. Now, the next layer in which I have a palm tree here and I have two surfer boards. we have a palm tree. Okay. So this was the image provided, but I will tell you, when you ungroup, these are connected, and when I'm cutting, these are coming in small pieces. So I am using this base, I'm using this palm tree here. Then I will duplicate this palm tree. I will reduce its size, and I will tilt it a little bit to get the base connected. That's how I did two palm trees, and then just ungroup. I will remove this. I will again ungroup this part. I will remove this, and then I'm connecting this. If you go combine, I will unite this. So now this has become much better than this. One, and two. Set it like this. So this is how. So I got the reference with this image, but when I was cutting, I found that these parts are not connected. So then it becomes difficult to assemble. So I just made my own, which is connected. I will change the colors. This one I'm keeping, yeah, in sync. This one we will be keeping a brighter green. And this one will be the same as brown. I will group all these together. Now, this is the one, because, okay, this is the first layer and the second layer is here. Align, center, and then I will group it. It's easy to move. This part belongs here and this comes here as my palm tree. Yeah. Now, surfer boats we are going to create. Okay, so one is this one. Another is this. This one, I want to remove the black part. So one part is this one. So I will not cut this one. I will change the color for this to this. And we have this one like this. I will group it. Now for this one, I will ungroup. I'm changing the colors to my choice. I'm changing it to the yellow which I'm using. This is the waves color, and this one will be the blue of my choice. Yeah. So this is how we have done the complete layering, and this has become just the replica of this same. So I'm removing all the excess from here. These are the images already pre-present. I'm just group and white, making it clearer. Yeah. So we have only the elements which we want to use. These are the two. Okay. Now we can start cutting. Here, and I will just make. Okay, so this is going for print and cut these waves. First, I want to cut this piece, which is the base, and I will be using my scorer tip, this one, for doing so. So let me show you. I will stop my screen sharing. So for a while, yeah. Here we have, I will show you all the color of cardstocks. This is the yellow which we are using. Then we have a brown, and we have beige. This is the blue, green, orange, fuchsia pink, and the beach turquoise. And this is my base color, which is light blue, which resembles more like the sky. So I will start starting with this one. So when we do, we first need to install the scorer plate. For that, that's my, so it is pointing me here. I will again share my screen. See, it's asking me to load the scoring wheel in the clamp B. So I've already done it here. Now it's prompting me to go just the scoring, making the lines. We also get another scoring pen along with the Maker 3. This is another scoring pen. If you don't have a scoring wheel, you can use the scoring pen as well. Now it's prompting me here. I will share my screen. Now it's prompting me to change the blade. Here I have this one. The scorer lines are visible. We just have to turn and make and give it the required shape. This is my first layer, and I'm folding, and it comes to my second layer here, and then I'm again folding, and this is mine. So this is how it is: 1, 2, and 3. And we have a space here to write our invitation message. Now, since we cannot cut and do everything, I have done a pre-cut of it, all the things here with me. I will show you. These are the ways which I have done with print and cut. This is print and cut. And this was the part from print and cut. I will share the screen and I can also show you how it is coming.
Grabe, mahal ko na sa bitis ko.
Swasan, is it okay or you want me to print and cut everything?
Yes, it is okay.
Okay. So here on the mat, when we go, we have everything here. So I already pre-cut the bucket, brushes, weights, what we selected. They are here. The second layer is my tree, brown, which is this one, along with the two starfish. There they go. My third layer was orange. On the orange, I pre-cut this part here. We will be assembling it all together. So I have this. I did this. In that one, I have another part for the starfish here. Then I cut with different colors to assemble on this board. So we have different colors, and then we have this palm tree here, and with this pink, we have this sunglasses. So we did a color sync before, so we have a color pattern here. So when we start, we'll start making the parts. So this comes in my, if you can see, this is the first part to do. For this part, I'm not gonna stick it completely because I'm gonna overlap the fish behind this. So I'm just gonna glue this little part small. This will be gently press it. It's done. Here, I'm only not gluing these waves on the top. So when I'm gluing it here, I still have space for my fish to go inside. I can use also a double-sided tape, but then a foam tape, but then when you press it, it is not becoming very nice. So I'm just not gluing all together. I'm just gluing it from the bottom layer. From the bottom part, we can take it and we can stick it here. So we still have a space. Now we will let it, the bucket here. Let's assemble this now. Keep it aside. We will just I just didn't stick it in the proper place and I'm leaving so we can see the brown. I just twisted the top part a little bit so we have a layer of brown around and the light brown as well. This comes in, I'm using it as an stencil to connect these in the right place. Like this one, it should come in this correct place. Once you use it as an stencil, you put the glue here, you take this and I'm putting it so that comes perfect in the place. This one. Here. Let me check for the last one. This one is here. That is small glue. So now when I remove this part, which is not glue, this works as a stencil, and all these are in the connect places. This part comes here. This one is dried. This part comes here. Now for this one, that completes my second surfer board. These will come here now. So before I stick them, I want to do the fish. I will tell you how the fish is, because we can use this part here to insert, because I didn't stick them. So when I stick, it is going inside. Again, for the smaller one, you can let the tail go inside. And the message one will be coming here. So I'm just doing a very little glue so I can set the position here. So it is not out, neither in, and visible. That gives it a more natural look here. This one comes here. They are dry now. I can stick these. And when it's done, let it dry. These are done. So for this part also, I'm not sticking the top. Only the bottom I'm sticking here. So this is once this is done, you will take it and you will glue it here from the center. One. Better to do it here so we can adjust. And to inside these waves. Let it dry. This is how the invitation is. That's a complete 3D theme. Along with, we have a space. We can write with the pen using the Cricut Maker 3. We can use the pen and we can write the message and we can stick it here after cutting. Or we can also write, if you have a longer message, we can write it completely inside here because that is not impacting our card. Or we can paste a small message here and then we can close the print. I hope you all liked my project. If you have any queries, let me know.
So beautiful.
Thank you, Swasan. Anyone is having any queries?
I love
Thank you.
it. It's so colorful. It's summer color.
It's summer colors, yes.
It's amazing
it's
project.
Thank you.
Thank you for this project.
Thank you for attending.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks everyone for joining us for this beautiful projects, and thank you, Kriti.
Thank you, Swasan.
See you soon.
See you. Thanks everyone for attending. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Have a good night. Bye.